Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 9.2. Find the mean and variance of the number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. First, let's list all the outcomes when you toss 3 fair coins. So let's list the possibility. All the 3 could be head. So this is one possibility. The other is head, head and tail. Next is head, tail, head. And lastly, it's head, tail, tail. Now let's repeat it with tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, then tail, head, tail, or tail, tail, tail. So there are totally 8 outcomes when you toss 3 coins. So now let's see what are the possibilities. We are going to write the probability distribution for number of heads. So let's look at it. X could be equal to 0, meaning there is no head, or it could be 1 head, 2 head, or 3 heads. Now let's write out the probability. Remember, the total outcome is 8 in each case. So I'm writing out 8 in the denominator for all the case. Now let's track out the favorable outcome. See, no head is coming means x is equal to 0. There is only one case for that. So this is 1 by 8. Now, there is going to be exactly 1 head. So let's count it. So this is one possibility. This is one possibility. And this is another possibility. So 3 favorable outcomes. Next, there has to be 2 heads. So this is favorable, this is favorable, this is favorable. So again 3 favorable outcomes. So 3 by 8. Now all the 3 heads, so this is the only possibility. So this is going to be 1 by 8. So now we have drawn the probability distribution. Let's work on calculating the mean. So mean E of x is nothing but mu, which is equal to sum of xi pi. So let's compute. So mu is going to be equal to 0 into 1 by 8 is 0. 1 into 3 by 8 is 3 by 8. Plus 2 into 3 by 8 is 6 by 8. And 3 into 1 by 8 is 3 by 8. So you add it up. This is going to be 12 by 8. 12 by 8 on simplest form, this is equal to 3 by 2. So mean is equal to 3 by 2. Now let's calculate the variance. Variance sigma squared is equal to sum of pi xi squared minus mu squared. So let's calculate only this first. So sigma of xi squared pi. So 0 squared into 1 by 8 is again 0. So 1 squared into 3 by 8. So it is 1 into 3 by 8, which is 3 by 8, plus 2 squared into 3 by 8. 2 square is 4. So 4 into 3 is 12. So this will be 12 by 8 plus, now this is 3 squared into 1 by 8. So this is going to be 9 by 8. So if you compute, this is 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 3 is 24 by 8, which is equal to 3. Now let's work on calculating sigma squared. So sigma squared is 3 minus 3 by 2 the whole squared. So this is 3 minus 9 by 4. So you take LCM, this will be 12 minus 9 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So the variance is going to be equal to 3 by 4. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.